Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant. Welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be sharing with you another burn-in prevention tip for your LG OLED TV. Now this tip will work on a range of LG OLED TVs, but I will be demonstrating it today on my 65-inch C10. Now previously I demonstrated to you guys how we can get the TV to automatically turn off at a set time by going into the settings and then going to General, Additional Settings, Eco Mode, and then Auto Power Off. At the moment I've got mine set to 2 hours, but a few of you complained that when you are gaming and things like that, you find it a little bit intrusive that TV would turn off at a regular interval. So you guys were finding that you were just going to turn off that feature. But I have a potential other useful tip for you. So if we go to Settings and General again, then to Time, and then Timers, then we will see we've got a few options here. Now when we've got a sleep timer, now this is just a one-off, non-repeatable timer. So maybe your kids are on a console or something like that, and you want to set it, say, for an hour and a half, knowing that they may wander off and just leave the TV playing to itself, then that might be a handy feature to use just there. We also have the power on timer. Personally, can't see a lot of use for this, but it's there if you want it. But this is the really useful one, and this is the power off timer. So let's click on that, and if we go to the on off there at the top, just turn that on. Now what we can do is set a time. So maybe you're the sort of person who falls asleep on the sofa or in bed around about, a set time each night. So maybe, you fall asleep 12, 1 o'clock. So we're going to set this for, say, 10 past 1 in the morning. And I'm going to set that now to repeat, let's say, work days, so Monday to Friday. And there you go. That will now turn off at that set time, Monday to Friday, continuously going forwards. So yeah, very handy if you're the sort of person who dozes off on the sofa or something like that, or in bed, and you're potentially worried that the TV could be sat there playing to itself. Now don't get me wrong, the odd time that you do it with a static sort of image up there isn't really going to be a big issue. But if you're the sort of person who falls asleep to a certain channel every single night, then potentially over a long period of time, it could be a potential risk of burning. Now, another scenario you could use it for is maybe, again, going out to work in the mornings. Maybe you're a bit forgetful, leave the TV on or something. Set a timer every single day to go off maybe 15 minutes after you generally leave for work. So, if you do forget it and leave it on, then that TV is going to shut itself off. So there you go then, folks. Hopefully you enjoyed that little tip, and if you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, then please do so. So thanks very much for joining me today, and hopefully catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.